And now it's time for the Middle School Minute. For lunch today, we're having orange chicken. Eighth graders, come try out for the Coronado High School Color Guard. Join Team Legacy for all the high school football games. Perform, make friends. Just show up for auditions this Thursday at the Coronado Fine Arts Band Room. No previous experience is necessary. Did you miss the clinic? No worries. Just show up tomorrow at 5:30 to audition. See you there. The El Paso Independent School District presents the first annual It Starts with a Book Literacy Festival. The festival is happening on Saturday, May 8th at Hartley Pre-K 8 from 10 a.m. to 1 p.m. Join us for author panels, games, read alouds, and activities. There will be student performances, local vendors, food trucks, and more. Let's make our first literacy festival a success.